Gatherings are large groups formed by people who have expectations about what they'll get for participation, and then they disband when these expectations are met, like audiences and queues. An audience is a gathering of people who plan to observe an event or activity. Their thoughts and actions are guided by social norms that impact where they sit, how they behave during the event, and how they exit. When someone violates these norms, the other audience members will often correct the behavior with verbal requests to stop. In extreme cases, disruptive members may be removed from the gathering, like hecklers at a comedy show. Interestingly, some behaviors are contagious among audience members. For instance, once one person starts clapping, laughing, or standing for applause, the action quickly spreads to others. This occurs because audience members provide cues about the quality or credibility of the event. Whether it's an entertaining performance or a speaker delivering a message, when they show positive reactions, it influences others to react in the same way. A queue is a gathering of people waiting in line for their turn, like to buy something, enter an event, or do some activity. They often gather in straight lines, but they can take any shape, like the lines in theme parks. Physical barriers and normative influence direct the movement and behavior of individuals. So, many of us know what to do when we reach the entry point of a line. We enter in order of arrival and patiently wait our turn. We don't cut in line, although there are rare exceptions where this behavior is acceptable, like a child joining a parent. The closer we are to the front of the queue, the more advantage we hold over the other people. So, we protect our place in line to keep this power. Without physical structures and social norms, some lines would be more chaotic and could contribute to panic. For example, sometimes traffic jams occur when vehicles are not properly directed. Drivers who violate driving norms then intensify the blockage. Disorganized queues can also lead to panic by failing to direct movement of large groups of people who are motivated to obtain valuable resources. Researchers suggest that exit points should be larger than entry points, and pressure relief valves should be available to redirect the flow of people. Think of the structure of the queues at theme parks. When there are relatively few visitors, the lines can be shortened by putting up chains. When there are more visitors, the lines can be lengthened by taking them down. This helps to prevent chaos and panic.